Okay, dear students, we are in NCERT class 11, calculus, limits and derivatives. Okay, the last two classes or three classes, we have seen all the concepts and examples also. We have understood what are limits and how multiplication, algebra of limits, and we have seen some important derivations also. Okay, how to uh, bring case 3 by 3 limits into case 2 or case 1 like. Okay, now we are confident enough to uh, do the exercise 13.1. Okay, let us do the exercise 13.1 one by one. At least 15 problems we will do in this class. Okay, see exercise 13.1, evaluate the following limits. I think all we have to find only limits this exercise, I feel. So let us see, if heading changes then I will change the heading. Okay, until then all limits only we have to find. You see, limit extends to 3. First question, x plus 3. See, initially 4 or 5 questions, so simply they have given. We will follow that and we will see what will happen under. Okay, see, limit extends to 3, x plus 3. Just to substitute like a function, 3 plus 3, that is equal to 6. Okay, this is over. Now come this side. Here also you see, simple only this one. X area, you substitute pi, that is equal to pi minus 22 by 7. But don't do both are equal, like why? Because both are not equal, approximately equal, and 5 minute difference will come. Okay, pi minus 22 by 7 only you write and close this question. Okay, these two are very simple. I think two more questions, they are very simple. Afterwards slowly they have given. Okay, let us go for third question. See, third and fourth questions. One by one we do. Simple questions only. If you observe carefully here, limit r tends to 1. X is not there. But here also r is there. See, here they have given r and here they have given x, means you cannot do anything. You can take all r like constants. But here, one more thing, here they have given x and here they have given r, means this r also going to become constant, like that you have to keep in your mind. R is there, then you can change it. Okay, now write down pi into 1 square, that is equal to pi. Why? Because 1 square is 1 only, there is no change. 1 square into pi. Okay, let us go this side. You substitute 4, that is equal to, see, 4 into 4 plus 3 by 4 minus 2. 4 into 4, 16 plus 3, 19 by 2. Is it okay? Definitely okay. Okay, let us go for fifth question. Okay, see the fifth question. Limit extends to minus 1. Okay, here minus 1. X to the power of 10 plus x to the power of 5 plus 1 by x minus 1. See, normally we know any number with negative minus symbol is there. If power is even number, then this is going to become positive. See, what value, that is different thing, but positive or negative, that we have to see. If 1 is there, 1 only. 1 is not there, then we will calculate it. But here 1 is there, minus 1. Minus 1 power 10, how much it will come? Plus 1. Why? Because minus 1 square is plus 1. Like that. But minus 1 power 5, minus 1. Minus 1 power 4 is plus 1 into minus 1. Minus 1 power 5 means. That means minus 1 will come. This minus 1, plus 1, minus 1 are going to get cancelled. Okay, that you keep in your mind. Okay, let us do. That is equal to minus 1 whole power 10 plus minus 1 whole power 5 plus 1 by minus 1 minus 1. Okay. You see, minus 1 whole power 10, 1. This is minus 1 whole power 5 minus 1. Now, rather than writing again plus, again I am writing directly minus 1 plus 1. by minus 2. What will be the answer? This is minus 1 going to get cancelled. 1 divided by minus 2, that is equal to minus 1 by 2. Understand? Always this symbol, if negative comes, means that sign or symbol of this denominator you transfer to numerator. Minus 1 by 2 you write. Don't keep in denominator only. Okay, that is the good practice. Let us go for 6th question. This question is little bit typical. Typical means we can say 0 by 0 will come. 0 by 0 form will come. Then we have to go for another process like. Okay, let us see what will happen and all here. First we substitute directly. If 0 by 0 comes means, then we will analyze what has to be done and done. Why? Because see, 5 questions, simple questions they have given. 6th question they have given a little bit tricky. See, 0 you substitute. 0 if you substitute, what will happen? Become 0 plus 1 to the power of 1 by here 0. See, 0 plus 1, 1. 1 to the power of 5, 1. 1 minus 1 by 0, that is equal to 0 by 0. But we have to avoid 0 by 0 cases. 0 by 0, third case to be converted into a either first case or second case like. Okay. See, how to do here? Any logic is there? Okay. Such type of questions comes means normally what we do, here x is there, x plus 1. This x plus 1 you make as y. Let x plus 1 is equal to y. Okay. See, if you make x plus 1 is equal to y, automatically x is equal to y minus 1. Okay. X is equal to y minus 1. When x tends to 0, you write like this. When x tends to 0, then y tends to 1 plus x. 1 plus 0, that is equal to 1. You understand? X plus 1 you have changed it as y. Then x is equal to y minus 1 also you know. With this only. When x tends to 0, then y tends to 1. Why? Because see, y is equal to x plus 1. 1 plus 0. Okay. What else you want? I think all we have done. Then we directly substitute. Okay, directly we substitute. Okay. Now you see what I am writing. Limit y tends to 0. Sorry, y tends to 1, not 0. Limit y tends to 1. Y tends to 1. Then y to the power of 5 minus 1 by x is y minus 1. Okay. Now after writing this, then you memorize one formula. What is that formula? Limit x tends to a, x to the power of n minus a to the power of n by x minus a is equal to n into a power n minus 1. Okay. This result, first of all, you don't think. First you think whether this is in this form or not. Limit x tends to a, x to the power of n minus a to the power of n by x minus a. If this form comes means this is also 0 by 0 form only, but algebra. Then you can convert this into n a to the power of n minus 1. See here all to be matched. X tends to a should come. X minus a. X to the power of n, a to the power of n. You compare this. Here think like y as x. X tends to a is 1, a is 1, a is 1, you see. Okay. X only, x means y only. But see here n is 5, But here also n5 should come, but here n5 is not there. Then even if you put 5, is it going to affect this statement or equation? No. 1 to the power of 5 or 1 to the power of 1 or 1 to the power of anything is same only. Then you can rewrite this as like this, you see how I am writing. This is equal to, like this you write, limit see how I am writing. Limit y tends to 1, y to the power of 5 minus 1 to the power of 5 by y minus 1. Now exactly this is like this statement or equation. Okay. Limit x tends to a, x to the power of n minus a to the power of n by x minus a. Now directly you can write the result n into n is what here? 5. 5 into a to the power of a is 1 to the power of n minus 1, 4. That is equal to 5, that's all. Okay, you understand this, how it has come? That is why I have written here like this. Again and again I need not write this, that you have to memorize. Okay, let us go for 7th question. Okay, see the question number 7. Limit x tends to 2. 3x square minus x minus 10 by x square minus 4. What will be the answer like? Okay. See, like as usual, you substitute first 2. What will happen? Now you see. See, by seeing the denominator itself, we came to know that denominator is 0 is coming. You see, 2 square minus 4. 2 square minus 4. 4 minus 4, 0. If numerator 0 doesn't come, then there is no limit like we can write. If numerator also 0 comes, then this is going to become 0 by 0. What has to be done and all we will think afterwards. Let us first substitute this. That is equal to 3 into 2 square minus 2 minus 10 divided by 4 minus 4. 2 square I have directly written. Okay, that is equal to, okay, you see, minus 12 plus 12, 4 into 3 plus 12. Minus 12 plus 12 is 0 by 0. Okay. Now 0 by 0 case has come. What we have to do? We have to avoid this 0 by 0. Okay. Yeah. What is the procedure? Factorization only. Why? Because this is not in that formula. You cannot take y is equal to something like y, because here 2 expressions are there. This is typical. Okay. Now let us try for factorization method. Factorization. For doing factorization, what we have to do? See, 3 into minus 10 minus 30. Is it okay? 3 into minus 10 minus 30. Minus 30 factors you take. Those factors, if you multiply, minus 30 should come. If you add or subtract or add, minus 1 has to come. Minus x. Okay? Okay. You see, I will take like 6 into 5. 30. 6 minus 5, 1 or like. Okay? Okay. See, minus has to come. I will take this as minus. Minus 6 into plus 5. Minus 30. Minus 6 plus 5. Minus 1. Is it okay? Definitely okay. Now you change. Okay. See what I am writing. Limit x tends to 3x square minus 6x minus 5x, plus 5x minus 10 divided by this one step directly you can write x square a square minus b square, x plus 2 into x minus 2 directly, x plus 2 x minus 2. Okay. Okay. Now further we do limit x tends to 2. 3x I am taking common. 3x if I take common, x will be there, minus 2 will be there. 3x square minus 6x. 3x square minus 6x. Okay? Okay. These two terms are over. Next you do for these two terms. But again x minus 2 we have to take common. X minus 2 means again x minus 2 you have to take common. Now you see here 5x plus minus 10 has to come, plus 5x minus 10. Then you take plus 5. Plus 5x minus 10. Plus 5x minus 10. 3x square minus 6x plus 5x minus 10. 3x square minus 6x plus 5x minus 10. Okay, over. Now you do x plus 2 into x minus 2. See, while doing such cases, normally this should be either x plus 2 or x minus 2 should come. Why? Because one to be cancelled. Or else we can think that we are doing something wrong. Like, okay. Now x minus 2 cancel. Okay, no, not yet, but we have to separate it. We have not yet separated. Okay, let us finalize first. Okay, you see now, limit x tends to 2, 3x plus 5, x minus 2 by x plus 2, x minus 2. Now you cancel. Okay? Now you cancel. Only numerator 3x plus 5, denominator x plus 2 is there. Now you substitute. First write, then we substitute. First write, let us write. That is equal to limit x tends to 2, 3x plus 5 divided by x plus 2. Okay. Now you substitute. But because denominator is not going to come 0, that is why confidently we can substitute. Even if numerator comes 0 also we don't bother. Okay? Write down now. That is equal to, see, 3 into 2 plus 5 by 2 plus 2. 6 plus 5. 11 by 4. Is it okay? 6 plus 5. 11 by 4. 11 by 4 will be your answer. Okay? Note down. We will go for 8th question. See the 8th question. Question number 8. Okay. Limit x tends to 3. X to the power of 4 minus 81 by 2x square minus 5x minus 3 they have given. Let us first substitute. If 0 by 0 comes, then we will think. Okay. What will happen and all. Okay. Write down. 3 to the power of 4 minus 81 by 2 into, shall I write directly 2 into 9 minus 5 into 3, 15 minus 3. That is equal to, you see, denominator 18 minus 18, 0. Okay. 3 to the power of 4 also 81 only. Why? Because 3 square 9, 9 into 9 81. That means 81 minus 81 0. Now 0 by 0 has come. 0 by 0. This has become case 3. We have to avoid it. How to avoid? Okay. See, one thing I want to tell. Here 3 to the power of 4, 81 has come. Next time I will write 81 as 3 to the power of 4 only. X to the power of 4, 3 to the power of 4, and this I will change. Why? Because see, this is like a quadratic equation. We will factorize. Normally we are factorizing when 0 by 0 comes means. Okay? Okay. Now you see what I am writing first. Limit x tends to 3, x to the power of 4 minus 3 to the power of 4. First let me write 3 to the power of 4. Now wait. This 2x square minus, okay, let me write 2x square minus 5x minus 3 is equal to, in the next step we will do this. Okay. Okay, you see, numerator I am not changing, but denominator factorization I will make. 2 into minus 3, you see, 2 into minus 3 is minus 6. 2 into minus 3 is minus 6. You take factors such that if you multiply, minus 6 has to come. If you add, minus 5 has to come. Add or subtract like, okay? Minus 5 has to come. Okay. See, I will take 1 and minus 6. If you multiply, minus 6. If you add, minus 6 plus 1, minus 5. Okay? But I will write first minus 6, bigger one. Okay? See how what I am doing. Limit x tends to 3, x to the power of 4 minus 3 to the power of 4 will be like this only. And 2x square also like this only. Minus 6x plus x minus 3. Okay? Okay. See this. 2x square minus 6x plus x minus 3. Now you take common. Limit x tends to 3, x to the power of 4 minus 3 to the power of 4 divided by 2x you take common. 2x if you take x minus 3, is it okay? 2x square minus 6x. Okay, these two terms are over. But you have to take this common, same. X minus 3, x minus 3. Then you think x minus 3 already there. That means you have to put only plus 1, that's all. 1 into x, 1 into minus 3, minus 3. Okay, x minus 3. 2x square minus 6x. Okay, now you see what will happen and then. First you write, then we will see. Okay, that is equal to limit x tends to 3, x to the power of 4 minus 3 to the power of 4 by 2x plus 1 into x minus 3. Okay. Okay, now what to be done? Just you imagine. See here only how to think logically. See, limit extends to a x to the power of n minus a to the power of n by x minus a. If you split these two separate, then separate formula will be there. And the limit extends to 3, 1 by 2x plus 1, this you separate. Then you are going to get the answer. Okay, how I am doing, you see. Limit extends to 3, x to the power of 4 minus 3 to the power of 4 by x minus 3. This is different. Into limit extends to 3, 1 by 2x plus 1. Okay. Both I have made separate. Why? Because this is direct formula. Limit extends to a x to the power of n minus a to the power of n by x minus a. N into a power n minus 1. But here you can substitute 3. Here you can substitute. If you substitute also, here 0 is not going to come. Okay. Okay. Let us substitute and write this value both. N into n is 4. 4 into n minus a is 3. N into a power n minus 1. N minus 1 means 3. Into, here you see, if you substitute, it is in denominator. That means 1 divided by 2 into 3, 6 plus 1, 7. That is equal to, I think, the 27 into 4 by 7. 7 and 24 will not go. 4 7s are 8, 4 2s are 8 plus 4 7s are 28. 2 is there. 8 plus 2, 10. 108 divided by 7. Okay, this will be your answer, final answer. Why? Because no more calculation to be done. Decimals will come. Okay, this is your answer, 108 by 7. You see how it has come under. This is a good problem until now. Why? Because some steps have been come. Let us go for 9th question. Okay, see, limit extends to 0, ax plus b by cx plus 1. First of all, let us substitute. If substitution itself answer comes, means then we need not think much. Okay, see what will happen. A into 0, 0 plus b by c into 0, 0 plus 1, that is equal to b. One step answer. Okay, see why I am written directly 0 into a, 0 plus b, 0 into c, 0 plus c. I did not write into like. Okay, now b will be answer for this 9th question. Let us go for 10th question. Okay, see the 10th question. Limit z tends to 1, z power 1 by 3 minus 1 by z power 1 by 6 minus 1. You see here, if you substitute 1 power 1 by 3, 1, 1 minus 1, 1 minus 1, 0 by 0 will come. Okay, like this. Then there is no, see, this is going to become 0 by 0. Why? Because see, 1 if you substitute to 1 minus 1, 1 minus 1, 0 by 0 is going to come. Then you have to change this. How to change? Okay, you see what I am writing. I will write this like this. You tell me whether it is correct or not. Limit z tends to 1, z to the power of 1 by 3 minus 1 by z minus 1 into z minus 1 by z to the power of 1 by 6 minus 1 power 1 by 6. Here also 1 by 3. Is it correct? First you see. Why? Because see, first of all you see z by 1 by 3 minus 1 by z power 1 by 6 minus 1 are there. Z minus 1 are going to get cancelled if you write like this. Then this statement is correct first. Then 1 power 1 by 3 or 1 power 1 by 6 both are same. Okay. Now see why I have written like this. Same formula. X power n minus a power n by x minus a. X power n minus a power n by x minus a. Directly you can write. Here also you see reversed. That means here n into a power n minus 1 will come. Here divided by 1 divided by n into a power n minus 1 will come. That's all. Okay. Let us write. that is equal to n is here 1 by 3 for numerator, denominator 1 by 6, 1 by 3 into a is 1 power 1 by 3 minus 1 divided by, why? Because denominator here numerator, here denominator. Okay, formula 1 by 6 into 1 power 1 by 6 minus 1. You see, when multiplying with 1 by some 1 power something, or this 1 only will come. 1 by 3 by 1 by 6 you can write directly. 1 by 3 divided by 1 by 6, that is equal to 1 by 3 into 6 by 1. Okay, the answer will be 2. 1 by 3 by 1 by 6. 1 by 3 by 1 by 6 means 1 by 3 into 6 by 1. You can do, you can get this answer as 2. Okay, let us go for 11th question. Okay, see the 11th question. This is simple question only. Direct by substitution itself it will come answer. Okay, let us substitute. Okay, limit extends to 1. This has given, that means a into 1. I am not writing again 1 square. Shall I write 1 square again? Plus 1 into b into 1 or 1 into b, both are same, plus c by c into 1 square plus b into 1 plus a. Okay, you see what will come here? 1 multiplication 1 or 1 square or same result is going to come. That means a plus b plus c. Is it okay? By c plus b plus a. C plus b plus a plus b plus c, both are same. Any minus is there, a minus a plus a minus b, c minus b are not equal, but plus is there means a plus b plus c, b plus c, all are same. That is why you can write 1. Both are going to get cancelled and 1 will come like. Okay, this is simple question. They have given a plus b plus not equal to, why? Because denominator a plus b plus c is there. This is not 0. That he wants to tell. Okay, let us go for 12th question. Okay, see the question number 12. Limit extends to minus 2, 1 by x plus 1 by 2 by x plus 2. What will be the answer? Like, you see here, 0 by 0 is going to come. Why? Because minus 2 is there. You see, if I substitute minus 2, what will happen? 1 by minus 2 plus 1 by 2 by minus 2 plus 2. Okay, denominator already 0, minus 2 plus 2. But numerator, you see, 1 by 2 minus 1 by 2. Why? Because this minus you have to transfer to numerator. This is going to become 1 by 2 minus 1 by 2 like. That means 0 by 0. 0 by 0 case has come. Okay. 0 by 0 case has come means you have to take factorization. Or else we know another one process is one formula. Limit extends to a, x to the power of n minus a to the power of n by x minus a. Whether this will come that formula, we have to try, may come. See, if you want to take in that formula, see that formula also once again I will write here. Why? Because for easy understanding and comparison and for making. Okay, formula is like that. Limit x tends to a, x to the power of n minus a to the power of n by x minus a has to come. Answer we know, n into a power n minus 1, but answer I have not written. Like this it has to come. Okay, I am putting like this. Implies. Okay, now let us try to write this in this form. Okay, like a is here minus 2. Okay, you think a is minus 2, like x is x only, then we will write. And another important one, n is what? See, here n is not there, denominator, but here n is there. N is what? How to find n? You see here 1 by x is there, na? 1 by x you can write as x power n minus 1. Is it correct? 1 by x you can write as x power minus 1. X power minus 1 if you write, automatically n will be minus 1. That you keep in your mind. Okay, let us do limit x tends to minus 2. 1 by x I am writing as x to the power of minus 1 divided by, why I am writing first this one? You wait, this you wait, x minus a. X is what? X is x only, minus a. Minus you write, a is minus 2. minus 2. Now if you write this, you see x minus of minus 2, x plus 2, x plus 2. Okay, denominator matched, numerator also 50% matched. What about this? Okay, now you see a power n you have to write, but a you have confirmed that minus 2. First you write this minus, okay. A also you write, a is minus 2, okay. N also you have confirmed, n is minus 1, then minus 1. First you write, okay. Then you check whether this is correct or not, like, okay. How to check? I am checking, you see. See, denominator have already checked. X minus of minus 2, x plus 2 has come. But this numerator has to result this one. Okay. You see, x power minus 1 minus 2 whole power minus 1 is equal to 1 by x plus 1 by 2 has to come. Okay. See, this already come. 1 by x. Minus I have kept. Okay. You see here, minus 2 power minus 1 means like this, shall I write? 1 by minus 2. Why? Because if you send this like x, then minus x power minus 1 will become minus 2 power minus 1. Okay. See, numerator, this minus symbol you transfer to numerator. 1 by x minus minus 1 by 2. That's all. See, both are minus means you can make 1 by x plus 1 by 2. Is it the same? Definitely same. Then you can write in this form. Then easily you can apply this formula. Now this is in the form of this one. Then for this what you are going to write? You are going to write this n into a power n minus 1. Okay. Then what will come here? N is what? Minus 1. A is what? Minus 2. N minus 1. Minus 1 minus 1. Okay. Minus 1 power minus 1. Okay. See what will happen. Minus 1 like that only you keep, minus 2 power minus 2, that is equal to minus 1 by minus 2 square. Why? Because whenever power minus 2 is there, you send in denominator and make it as plus power. Okay. Now what will happen? Minus 1 into 1 by 4. Is it correct? First you see, minus 2 power square or plus 2 power square, both are 4 only. Minus 2 square 4 plus 2 square 4. Okay, but here minus 1 is there. Minus 1 by 4 will be your final answer. You understand now? See, typical question. Little bit careful. You have to do this, or else this answer, either plus 1 by 4 r will come or something will come. Then you are not going to get marks, like. Okay. Let us go for 13th question. Okay. See the 13th question. Limit extends to 0 sin ax by bx. You see, limit extends to 0 sin x by x means 1 we know, trigonometry. But ax by bx means how to write this one? If you substitute 0 by 0 is going to come. You see here, a into 0 means sin 0 by 0. That is equal to 0 by 0. 0 by 0 you should not get. But we know one formula. What is that formula? I am writing again, you see here. That formula. Limit x tends to 0 sin x by x is equal to 1. Now case 3 is going to become case 1. But how to bring in this form? Okay. And one more thing I want to tell. You see here, when I want to change this as sin ax by ax, limit ax tends to 0. Is it okay? Same will come. Why? Because see here, this entire thing you treat as x, and the entire thing here also x should come. Here also limit should come ax. See here ax you can write. Why? Because see here, when limit x tends to 0, if you take 1 plus x as y, then limit y tends to 1. Okay. Why? Because see here you are adding, you are just doing like limit 1 plus x tends to 1. Why? Because y is x plus 1 and y tends to 1. Like that you are writing. Here you are adding. See, if you conversely, what you can say, if limit x tends to 0, you are taking, next time limit ax tends to 0 also you can take. Why? Because see here, like how you have added 0 means 0 plus 1. Both sides you have added. Here 1 plus x, here 0 plus 1. 1 means here 0 plus 1. Earlier 0 was there. X tends to 0. Now x tends to 1 plus x tends to 1. Or else we can write like this, but we need not write 0. Like that here also you see limit x tends to 0, limit ax tends to 0 only. Why? Because if you multiply ax, if you have to multiply 0 into a. 0 into a, if you multiply also 0 only will come. What it means to say, if you have limit x tends to 0, this is equivalent to limit ax tends to 0 or limit x by 2 tends to 0 also. Why? Because 0 divided by 0 also 0 only. 0 divided by something also 0 only. That means these three are equal. I want to say. Accordingly, you can change it. Okay? Limits you can change it. Okay. Let us go back. Okay. See, this is the formula. In this formula, how can you change that? See, I am putting this implies. Why? Because this is not exactly. I am putting implies. See, by seeing this, you have to change this. See how I am changing. Okay, ax is there now. Okay, limit. How I am writing, you see, simply observe. Limit ax tends to 0, sin ax by ax I have written first. Afterwards, you see, to counter this ax, why? Because earlier denominator ax is not there, I have written. To counter this, I have made another ax, but earlier bx is there, bx I have kept like this only. But is it correct? First you see. Limit I have explained how to write and all. Limit, even if you multiply with a both sides, the same thing will come. Ax tends to 0. Why ax I have written? Why? Because here ax by ax I want to take. Sin x by x. X. Here x means here x should come. Here ax means ax should come. Here x by 2 means x by 2 should come. Okay? ax I have written, ax is there. Why I have got idea this immediately by seeing this here. See, here you can change. A is there means you can take a common scalar, but in function it is there inside. Then you cannot change anything. Rather, you have to change this. Okay? Sin ax by ax into ax by bx. Ax if you cancel, sin ax by bx only will come. Okay? Now you see here, x and x are going to get cancelled. A by b is a constant, like a scalar. Shall I take the scalar outside? Definitely I can take. Okay, see how I am writing now. That is equal to a by b limit ax tends to 0 sin ax by ax. Is it okay? Then that is equal to a by b into 1. Why? Because see, this will give 1. Limit ax tends to 0. I have not written. Written. Ax tends to 0, sin ax by ax is equal to a by b into 1. That's all. A by b into 1 means what? I need not tell you. A by b. That's all. Okay? Like this you have to tackle such questions. I think question number I have not given this. This is 13th question. Yes, 13th question this is. Okay? You take this as 13th question. Let us go for 14th question. Okay. See, 14th question. Like 13 only, just little bit change you have to made. Here you see denominator sin bx is there. That means numerator bx has to bring. Bx by sin bx 1 by 1. Why? Because see, this is 1, that is 1. 1 by 1 only. Limit x tends to 0 sin ax by sin bx into, how to make a b not equal to 0 like they have given. Okay. Even here also if you substitute directly 0, sin 0 by sin 0, 0 by 0 will come. 0 by 0 we have to avoid. Okay. How can you convert this in normal standard trigonometric form? Sine form. You see what I am writing. Limit x tends to 0 sin ax by ax into bx by sin bx into, to counter this, see here, earlier denominator ax was not there. To counter this one ax, earlier numerator bx was not there. Bx you have written. To counter this bx, I have written. Is it okay? First you see, I have not applied limit. For applying limit, again I have to change ax and bx. That is different. If you don't change also, that is correct. But you have to change and write. Why? Because concepts, like examiner should know. Okay. Now first of all, let us see, is this correct? Limit extends to 0, extends to 0. Sin ax divided by sin bx divided by sin bx. Okay. You see here, ax going to get cancelled, bx going to get cancelled. Then only these two are going to remaining to left. Okay. Over. Now what is advantage? Why? Because this you can write as 1. This you can write as 1 by 1. I can say this is 1 by 1. Why? Because this is 1, this is 1 by 1. And this you can take as a scalar. Okay. Now you see here ax, bx, xx are going to get cancelled. A by b will be there. Okay. Now what I am doing, you see. Simply observe how I am writing. A by b I am taking common scalar. Now I am changing this. How I am changing, you see. Limit x tends to, ax tends to 0, sin ax by ax into limit bx tends to 0, bx by sin bx. Is it okay? Definitely okay. See, when x tends to 0, bx tends to 0, cx tends to 0, x by 2 0, all zeros only. X plus 1, if you write, then 0 plus 1 you have to write. But here we are not writing plus, we are multiplication only. Bx, ax are multiplication. If you do multiplication with 0, 0 only will come. You can write ax tends to 0, bx tends to 0, anything. Why? Because why I have written bx tends to 0? Because here bx by bx is there. Sin bx by bx. That is why I have how to write bx. Okay? Okay. Now you know very well. That is equal to a by b into 1 into 1. That is equal to a by b. Why? Because see, this value is 1. This value is 1. A by b outside is there. Okay? Like this you have to write and close. Let us take 15th question. Okay, you see here, limit extends to pi, sin pi minus x by pi into pi minus x. This is the question. Okay. See, directly if you substitute, what will happen? Sin pi minus pi, 0, sin 0, numerator 0 will come. Denominator also you see, pi minus pi, 0, 0 into pi is 0, 0 by 0 is going to come. That means this is going to become case 3. Okay? This is going to become case 3. Then we have to avoid. We have to make it as case 1 or case 2. Okay. How to make a... Okay. You see here, something has come. Then you take it as y. Why? Because x is there, then you take it as y. If it is y, then you take x like. Okay. Now how I am writing, you see. Simply observe carefully. Let pi minus x is equal to y. Okay. Pi minus x is equal to y means, you see, sin y you are going to write. Then this limit also you have to change accordingly y. Okay. Now again write. When x tends to pi, y tends to pi minus pi 0. That's all. Sorry. Is it okay? When x tends to pi, y tends to pi minus pi 0. Pi minus pi. Okay, I need not write pi minus pi, y tends to 0. Here x pi, how to substitute? Y is equal to pi minus x pi. Pi minus pi is 0, y tends to pi. Okay, another one. Let us take when pi minus x is equal to y, x is equal to pi minus pi. That also you write. If you require, we can utilize this. X is equal to pi minus y. Is it okay? Why? Because I have sent this y that side. Minus x is going to become plus y, plus x. Y is going to become minus y. Pi minus y is equal to x. Okay, x is equal to pi minus y. Now you change this statement. Now you change this statement. How to change? See, limit y tends to 0. Y tends to 0. Okay, sin y by pi into y. Is it okay? See, this is like a sine, limit extends to 0, sine x by x. But here pi is extra is there. But that pi is a scalar, constant. You take it out first. See what I am doing. That is equal to 1 by pi I have taken outside. Okay, this is a scalar. See, pi y is there means you cannot take, but pi into sine y means also you can take outside. Okay, 1 by pi I have taken. Now again I am writing limit y tends to 0, sine y by y. Is it okay? Now this pi is not there. Happily you can apply this as 1. 1 by pi into 1. Write down that. 1 by pi into 1, that is equal to 1 by pi. Answer is 1 by pi. Okay? You understand now? Okay. See, we have finished 15 questions. Total around 32 questions are there in this exercise. I don't think in the next class also I am able to finish all these 17 questions. 15 plus 17, 32. But let us do. Why? Because see, 3 exercises are there. Third one is miscellaneous exercise. First exercise is limits. Second exercise may be derivatives. Let us try to solve continuously. We will do. Okay. Okay. Thank you very much.